what this is meant to say is that stocks, any long-lived asset like houses, their price is very difficult to know. We talk about fundamental values of these things as if they were very clear. They are very unclear. It's very unclear what these prices are. So then, should we take these changes of these prices day to day so seriously? Maybe not. I mean, maybe the day-to-day prices, we shouldn't take them very seriously. October 19th, 1987, the stock market went down 25% in a day. If you look at the last quarter of 87, the quarter, it's okay, prices went down, but not, it doesn't look like an outlier, okay? If you look at months, the October 87, okay, it doesn't look like an outlier. It's a bad month, but not even at a month frequency, that crash is not there anymore. So all this attention to the all this attention to the stock price movements every day, day-to-day movement, I think should be gone. Whoever wants to participate in a casino should be allowed to do it. But we shouldn't try to infer so much from it. Jordi gave some harder data on that, but I think we should let the stock market, do whatever it wants in the day-to-day. And then in terms of the recessions, the fiscal stimulus, I think, have been very much exhausted now. There was talk in the US whether there should be a fiscal stimulus to the economy. They've been doing that. They've had the very low interest rates for many years for no reason. This is probably what ended up where we are. There was already a fiscal plan. In Spain, recall, everybody was, in the last election, Rajoy and Zapatero were quarreling about who would give the biggest incentives to purchase houses. Okay, so that's a very bad idea to have these fiscal stimuluses at the wrong time. It's not clear they can do much now. We could have lower interest rates, if at all possible, given the inflationary expectations. Lower interest rate would seem to make sense in the short run, just because there is such a flight to safe assets, but very safe assets. But I wouldn't count on lower interest rates as a fiscal stimulus. Anyway, in this meeting, I cannot see this meeting of the big politicians. I have no idea why they are doing it. I think they cannot do anything. It could be just stopping all the banks from doing anything because they know there's going to be this meeting. Who is going to move if there is this refounding of the capitalism announced? So in summary, well, I'll skip the summary.
Okay. Thank you very much, Albert.